Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. When you use the search function on your Windows, it not only shows results from your computer, but also from the web, which is, sometimes it's annoying. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable web search results in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And now, let's get started. Click on the search icon in your taskbar. Type regedit in the search box. You'll see Registry Editor as the best match. Open it as administrator. Then navigate to this registry path, which I will provide in the video description. Expand /current_user. Then expand software. Then expand policies. Then expand Microsoft. Now look for the Windows folder. If it doesn't exist, you'll need to create it. Then right-click on the Windows folder. Select New, then click on Key. Name this new key Explorer and hit Enter. Then select the Explorer key and go to the right span. Click right-click and select New, then click on DWORD 32-bit value. Name this new DWORD, DisableSearchBoxSuggestions. And hit Enter. Then double-click on DisableSearchBoxSuggestions. In the Value Data box, change the value from 0 to 1. Click OK to save your changes, and then restart your computer. And that's it. You've successfully disabled web search results in Windows. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.